Bikin apa?
Bikin mochi.
Oke, kita lihat ya guys ya. Oke.
Kasih panjang dulu supaya dia itu. Sudah.
Sudah jadi.
Sudah jadi, sisanya
Mochi rasa apa ini?
coklat filling.
Chocolate filling. Yum. Okay, can't wait to eat.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Tomorrow will be ready?
Yes.
Okay then. Why not today?
Because this must be
In the fridge.
in the fridge.
Okay. I'm going to eat you tomorrow. Mochi mochi.